like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hi friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel DV Craft. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to make tissue paper box. So let's get started. First take craft paper. Then fold it into a rectangle. Then again fold it. Open this and fold the edges. Now remove the upper edge, flip it and fold it at back side. And fold it down. Same way do of this side also. Now take scale and from this point to this point fold this. Same way do at this side. Fold it nicely. Open this. Open it like this way. Now put these edges inside. Now remove this and the one part of this is ready. Now let's make remaining two parts. Now three parts are ready. Now let's assemble this. Here are gaps, so we have to insert the one box in this gap. Like this way. Take this box and put on there. It's almost ready. Remove this part. Take cutter and cut this part. I have cut this part. Let's assemble it. It looks nice. Here I have a small roll of tissue papers. Let's insert it. Our tissue paper box is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.